Hi guys and welcome to the channel. My name's Mariella and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today is July the 14th and our daily devotion is every sweet moment. People should eat, drink, and enjoy the fruits of their labor, for these are gifts from God. Ecclesiastes 3:13. Do you savor your breakfast smoothie? Grateful for the gifts of year-round berries and the invention of the blender? Do you settle into your workspace and look around, grateful for a way to earn a living? How often during a normal day do you take time to enjoy your day, to pause and acknowledge that life is a sweet, sweet gift from God? Every moment is a gift. It's easy to lose sight of this, especially when hurried and worried is at the top of your to-do list. Take a second now and add enjoy above them on that list. God, thank you for the sweet, simple gift in my life. I love the smells, the taste, the conversation, and experiences you place on my path each day. Thank you for helping me slow down enough to really enjoy them and to see them for the gifts they are. Read that verse again. God wants us to enjoy our life. It means not just the mountaintops, this means not just the mountaintop moments, but also the ordinary pleasures of the day. Breakfast with an overscheduled teenager is a blessing. Enjoy it. Coffee with a girlfriend is a gift. Open it with gladness. Lunch with your love. Birthday cake with a coworker. And even quiet dinner with no one but your favorite fur friend are moments to be pleasured. So take pleasure in them. The question of the day: how do you take pleasure in your ordinary moments of your day? It's easier for me to do that now than it was earlier in life. Now I have less days ahead of me than I have behind me. And now that I don't have that many worries and trials and tribulations, it's easier to enjoy the small things. It's easier to enjoy the gift of Buddy. Yes, sometimes he gets nerve-wracking when he decides that I'm when I'm in the middle of doing research and he decides now's the time to play ball, Mom. Come on, let's play ball. And he comes and he aggravates me, and I keep telling him, buddy, not now, and he don't listen. So then I have to stop what I'm doing to play with Buddy. But that's okay. Those are the moments I cherish the most. I want to thank you all for watching this video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.